Looking for a home large enough for your family and friends? Well, 27 Cockatiel Court in Greenbank has this and so much more. I'm Jonas. Welcome to Spring Mountain. Set on approximately 2 acres, the main home contains a spacious kitchen with gas cooking, large pantry and an island bench. 4 bedrooms plus a study, multiple living rooms, and also an attic where the kids can enjoy their own free space. For entertainment, there is a massive patio out the back, right next to the huge 10 by 5 meter swimming pool with spa jets and a gazebo nearby. Plenty of car spaces available, including a large shed, which can be used for your own gym or your own workshop. There is a separate utility building at the back with its own kitchen, bathrooms and 3 rooms, which is perfect for a kids retreat, music or an art studio. Our sellers are moving in the city and will sell now. I look forward to seeing you at the open home or contact me for a private inspection.